Hi guys, thanks for being here today. Today we're going to make a quick and easy Thanksgiving side dish. This is going to be some green bean casserole. We're going to use these ingredients: cut green beans, some cream of mushroom soup, some of these French fried onions, and we're going to add a little bit of milk and some spices and probably some cheese if I have any. I've got to check still. I have some. I'm not sure what kind we have. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and open these up and get them drained. Okay, here we go. We're going to start off by making the cream sauce. We're going to use 1 can of cream of mushroom. And we're going to add some onion powder and garlic powder and some salt and pepper to your liking. We're going to add some milk. I'm going to start off with a 1/4 cup. And if it looks like we need more, we're going to add some more. Let's mix this together. I'm doing it here in the same dish just to not dirty an extra dish. And of course, you could always make all of this stuff homemade or even use fresh green beans or frozen green beans. You could use them also. But today we're doing this quick and easy for when you don't have time or the energy. You don't have the energy or the time, or maybe you've never made this before and you just don't know how to cook it. This is a quick and easy way, and a last minute way also to make this green bean casserole. We added 2 cans of green beans, and I'm going to add about half of the container of the crispy fried onions. Let's get this all mixed up, mixed together. This is a classic Thanksgiving dinner recipe. Let me know if you guys have made this before. I like using fresh green beans, but today is all about quick and easy. So I'm using these canned green beans that I had from last year. Let me know what kind of side dishes do you like for Thanksgiving? What's your favorite side dish? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. Let me get that. I have this mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to use some of this, but you could use whatever kind is your favorite. Okay, so I added some cheese. Not too much. This is the first time adding cheese, so I'm going to see how that comes out. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more milk. You know what, I'll just add the whole thing. So that was half a cup of milk. And now we're just going to go ahead and mix that all together. We're just going to place it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 to 35 minutes. We'll check it at 20 and see from there. And everything's already cooked in here, so we just got to wait for it to come together. Okay, it's been in there about half hour. Now we're going to go ahead and add the rest of the crispy fried onions, French fried onions, on top. Okay, we got those all on top. Now we're going to go ahead and place it back in the oven.
Could I put on the side?
And that's it. There's your quick and easy green bean casserole for Thanksgiving. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. If you do like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.